Hey, what's up? This is Khalid here for After Effects tutorial, and welcome to another very exciting shutter effects. How to create a multi-shutter effects in one screen. Let's start. Hey guys, there is the biggest news for you. So if you want to learn After Effects CC 2023 Masterclass course from basic to advanced 2D 3D motion graphics top 25 plugins with free download setup up to 4 hours video. Don't forget the link is in video description. Have a good time, create a new composition, then right here Shatter, press enter, create a new solid, right here background, press OK. Now right here ramp for creating the background color, change ramp shape to radial and create your favorite color. So I want to create a green color like this and create dark green color like this. So now go to project, double click and go to desktop. There is the chips, drop here, press S. You can little bit scale down the size and move it here, or move here, press Ctrl, scale up. So now select, right click, make Precompose, move all attributes right here, chips, enter, create one more Precompose, select leave all attributes, so press OK. Now create another new solid, name mask, no matter which color you want to select, because I want to use the fill effect. Drop the fill effect, change the color white, because if you want to create masking effect, just you can use black or white. Select, then turn off the mask. Which location, which place of this PNG chips you want to shatter, select your mask. Before creating mask on the chips, select the chips and go to effects and presets, right here shatter, and drop it on the chips composition. Then go to view, change to render, go to shapes, change to glass, and now when you play, there is the all chips bracket. So time to extrusion 0.1, and there is the force one. So let's control again, select the mask tool and go to ellipse, apply. I want to shatter these places. This place, not bad. So go back, select the chips and go to gradient. Select the mask and select effects and mask. Change the shatter threshold to 1%. Play now, there is. So move the point of the shatter to here and go to physics. Change the gravity to 0 and change the rotation to 0.15 and change the randomness 0.2. Viscosity is the most important setting. Change to what? 0.5 the viscosity. So now let's change the direction, what direction you want to move it. So after viscosity, change the tumble axis to X and Y, and there is another point of the shatter. So let's make unique animation for the shatter. Change the repetition to 40, 30, 25 as enough, and let's create these places. Let's make down rate like this. So let's create little bit gravity, and change to 9. Let's play. Change the direction to this side, 90. Good. Okay, let's duplicate this composition. Select the duplicate and go back to force and shape. Change the shape extrusion depth to 0. Just change to 0. Change the repetition to 200. And going to physics. Change the viscosity to 0.6 and change the rotation 0.1. So randomness, gravity, everything is looking good. Let's control a little bit more the viscosity. Change the randomness 0.3. Let's play. Not bad. Just let's change the gravity 1. Play again. Turn on the motion blur effect for all of these layers. Not bad. Let's control the viscosity of the particle 0.4 for 0.5 and randomness 0.4. Let's play again. Good. Select again the bottom chips and change gravity to 1. And select this one, change gravity to 1.3. 1.2. Let's render again. Not bad. Looking good. Yeah. Okay. There is. Let's create a shadow. Create a new solid right here. Shadow. Change the color of the shadow black and move it down. Turn off. Create shadow for these places. Turn on again and press M. Little bit make fader and press T for the opacity and go to right linear wipe. Drop here and make -90 and make fader like this. Let's render up to 3 seconds. Render again. Not bad, looking good. So, and now time to, if you want to create the second, just select all of them, right click, make a pre-compose. There is the first one. And Ctrl D, select, press S for the scale. The better way for controlling individual, the all composition, just select in project the first or the one composition, duplicate, press Ctrl D, drop here, press S, scale down the size and move here. Move here, you can rotate, move it up, double click, select the mask tool, change the mask position, just press M Select the mask path, move here. Okay, play again. There is the boat going to Shatter. Wait for the render. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about to create multi-shatter in one scene. Have a good time. Good luck.